Namaste. Today I will talk about how orthognathic surgery improves confidence and quality of life. Orthognathic surgery is not just about bone and teeth. Its impact goes much deeper into self-esteem, confidence, and quality of life. Let's explore how a functional surgery also transforms a person's emotional well-being. Functional improvements. It corrects chewing difficulties. Patient can enjoy a wider variety of foods. It improves speech clarity. It reduces TMJ pain and headaches caused by the poor bite. It opens the airway, reduces snoring and sleep apnea. These medical improvements directly contribute to better day-to-day comfort. Appearance and balance. A misaligned jaw can create sunken chin, protrusion, or asymmetry. Orthognathic surgery rebalances the facial skeleton. Research in aesthetic plastic surgery journal shows patients report significantly higher satisfaction with their facial appearance post-surgery. It also impacts psychological and social impacts. The patient often says they no longer avoid camera or hide their smiles. Improved self-image, boost confidence in interviews, presentation, and social interactions. British Journal of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery reports patients sees marked improvement in their self-esteem and social confidence within a year after surgery. In short, orthognathic surgery improves life on three levels: function, appearance, and confidence. It is not just about fixing jaws, it is about helping people live fully. At Nuface Clinic in Andheri West, we have seen patient transforms not only in their smile but also in how they see themselves and interact with the world.